Hello, everybody. This is the second installment of the Math Made Easy playlist, or the Make Math Make Sense playlist. And this is the series where we try to simplify mathematical concepts, or at least give some context in order to help students make sense of some mathematical topics. And in today's video, we're going to talk about adding fractions, but just the process of addition in general. And right off the bat, I want to say that when we add anything, we have to make sure that the values are in like terms or common terms. Let me start off with a simple example, and then we'll work our way up. So we all know that 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay. But how do we know that these are like the same in common terms? You know, well, these are all constants. So, one is a constant and another one is a constant. And so therefore, they are we can add them because they're like terms. The other thing is that there's a hidden one underneath here in terms of the denominator, and the same thing here. So 1/1 is just 1/1 is just 1, and 2/1 is 2. So there's a hidden a hidden denominator here at the bottom for the denominator. And so let's say we have a quantity that's 3 plus x. Okay. So we wouldn't be able to add this because they're different terms. X is a variable and 3 is a constant. We don't know what x is. And so therefore we don't know what the like when we add these, what the value will be when we add them. We don't know what the sum will be. That's the word I'm looking for. Same thing here. Even if we have 3 minus x, we can't do anything with this because they're not like terms. Same thing if we have x plus y; these are different terms. And even if we have x squared plus x, these are different terms. So we don't know the sum of these, and we can't. Now, interestingly enough, let's say we have a fraction that's, let's say we have 1/4 over 2/3. Okay. Now we can add these, but they have to be in like terms. They have to be in common terms. And so technically, well, we can't just say 4 plus 3 equals 7 and 1 plus 2 equals 3. We can't do that because this is being divided by 4, and 2 is being divided by 3. So what we would do is to make these in like terms. And so how we would go about this is multiplying 1/4 by 3 over 3, and we would multiply 2/3 by 4 over 4. And the reason we do this, and the reason why we can do this, is because when we think of 3 over 3, we're just multiplying by 1. We are literally, yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. We are literally multiplying by 1 because 3 over 3 equates to 1, and 4 over 4 equates to 1. So we're not changing the formula or anything. We're not changing the formula or anything. Um, in terms of the values. This is the same value, and if you see the previous video with simplifying expressions, again, it's mainly just rewriting the expression to help us solve the problem. We're not really creating a different value because, again, like 1 times 1/4 is just 1/4, and 1 times 2/3 is just 2/3. And so what this would look like when we're processing this, I'm just going to put this over here. Um, it would be 3 multiplied by 1. Shoot, yeah, 1. And 3 multiplied by 4. And that would be adding 2 multiplied by 4. And oh gosh, my thing is so bad. My thing is so bad. Anyways, and when we work this out, it would be 3 plus 8 over 12. And so we don't do 12 plus 12 because again, we just have to have the common denominator. So it'd be 3 plus 8, and that would equal 11 over 12. And so hopefully this video made sense and helped you guys make sense of certain math concepts. In this case, it would be adding fractions or just adding in general. And basically, the big takeaway is we have to make sure it's in common terms, because if something isn't in common terms, then well, we can't evaluate it. We can't do anything because they're not. It's not common terms. It's not common grounds. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video and subscribe for more content such as this, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.